Good morning, children. Today we will have to solve rotational symmetry. We have to know about rotational symmetry. What is rotational symmetry? Rotational symmetry. Turning a figure about a fixed point is known as rotation. Turning a figure about fixed point is known as rotation. Okay, and also rotation may be clockwise or anti-clockwise. Rotation may be clockwise or anti-clockwise. So the symmetry is defined about rotation is known as rotational symmetry. Rotational symmetry. Okay, so you have to write and learn this definition. As here given that when an object is rotated about a fixed point, every point on the object rotates through the same angle related to the fixed point. As given here, center of rotation given that fixed point about which the rotation takes place, that is called center of rotation. And now what complete rotation? An object is said to take one complete rotation when it takes a full turn of rotation of 360 degree. One complete rotation when an object take one complete turn about any fixed point that is known as one complete rotation. Complete rotation. Okay, here angle of rotation given that, so you have to also learn it and write it. Here given the order of rotational symmetry. What is order of rotational symmetry? We have to understand it. Order of rotational symmetry. Okay. The number of positions in which an object looks exactly the same as the original figure. Such positions in which looks exactly an object looks exactly the same as the original, the same as the original figure in a rotation of 360 degree, in 360 degree rotation, 360 degree rotation, that is called order of rotational symmetry, then is known as order of rotational symmetry. Okay, so the formula order of rotational symmetry, order of rotational symmetry is equal to 360 degree upon angle of rotation, upon angle of rotation. Okay, so you have to also write this, and this definition you have to learn. Okay, here some figure are given that in your book, patterns after rotation of original position. Here given that B, then here given that 90 degree in original position, positions after rotation of 90 degree, this 180 degree, this 270 degree, this 360 degree. Because you know there are 4 coordinates in this 90 degree only. Okay, and if you also rotate here, then also you will found 90 plus 90, here also 90, then 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 degree as. Okay, and if you also come from here, then you also found that 90 plus 90 plus 90, 270 degree, and if you also rotate some angle as, then also you found here 90, then 90 plus 90 plus 90 plus 90 is equal to 360 degree. So you can say the complete one rotation is equal to 360 degree. So the order of rotational symmetry is equal to 360 degree upon angle of rotation. Okay, so this is the formula of the rotational symmetry. As a figure given that, if any figure you have given that A, then this is in 90 degree. Okay, and if you change its direction as, okay, you also write it as A, then you will find that 90 plus 90 is equal to 180 degree, and if you also change this direction as, then you also found that 90 degree also added in it, then become 270 degree. Okay, and if you also change this direction and a complete rotation given that, then you will found also as, then this will be 360 degree. So order of rotational symmetry as given that. You have to write this. Such as a figure given that I, okay, here 90 degree, and if we also in this direction write it, then 90 plus 90 180 degree, and if this direction, then also you found 270 degree as in this direction. Okay, this in 90 degree, this in 180 degree, this 270 degree, and you also, if this figure like as rotate, so also you 90 degree rotate it, then you will be find it 360 360 degree. Okay. So this is the rotational symmetry. Here some solved examples given that you have to also solve these examples. And in exercise 14.2, in exercise 14.2, you have to also given that here, problem number 1. Which of the following letters have rotational symmetry? So here B first given that, in this also rotational symmetry, okay? And also F given that, H, in also H you will be found that rotational symmetry, but in O you will not found rotational symmetry because already it became a 360 degree complete angle. Okay, this indicates 360 degree complete angle. So you will not find in this the symmetry of rotational or the rotational symmetry. Okay, and also given that list 4 letters of English alphabet. So this is easy, and you have to also solve the remaining problem. We also solve next day. You have to solve this exercise and all the definition of it you have to learn. Now time is over. We stop writing. Thank you, children. Thank you.